Hello friends, welcome back to DataDesk Pro. Guys, in this particular sessions of Microsoft Excel, you are building your career in data analytics and I am helping you boost your Excel skills with powerful formulas, functions and advanced tools so you can move toward a high paying job and salary. And today's session is going to be super important because we are learning one of the most powerful Excel tools, conditional formatting. Guys, this is one of the most common questions asked in Excel interviews, and it is also heavily used in offices, reporting, dashboards, and data analysis. Conditional formatting helps you represent your data visually using colors and formatting based on conditions. Guys, you may have heard this saying, every color says something. If numbers are shown in red, it usually means loss or low performance. If numbers are shown in green, it means profit or good performance. So how can we present number and text in different color automatically according to conditions? Guys, that is exactly what conditional formatting does. So guys, let's begin this exciting sessions. On my screen, you can see a demo data set. I downloaded this sample data from the internet just to explain conditional formatting easily. So here we have product name, country, price, and sales data. Now imagine your boss says highlight all sales values greater than 1 lakh. So let's see how to do that. First, I will select the sales data. After selecting the data, go to Home tab and click on Conditional Formatting and highlight Cells rule. Now inside highlight cells rule, you will find greater than, less than, between, equal to, and many more options. Now suppose my boss says highlight all cells above 1 lakh. So I will go to highlighted cells rule and click on greater than. Type the value 1 lakh. Now Excel asks me which color I want to apply. I can choose from here red, yellow, green, or custom formatting. Guys, since the data already has green shade, I will choose yellow color. So it becomes clearly visible and click OK. Guys, and now wow, all values greater than 1 lakh are highlighted automatically. This is the power of conditional formatting. Now suppose my boss says highlight all cells below 50,000 in red color. Again, select the sales data and go to conditional formatting and highlight cells rule and click less than and type 50,000. Guys, now by default Excel gives light red filled with dark red text. But guys, too many backgrounds colors sometimes make reports look messy. Professional reports should look clean and decent. So instead of filling the background with red, I only want the numbers to become red. To do that, click on custom format and go to font, fill select no color, go to font, choose red color and click OK. Again OK. And guys, look at the result. Only the numbers are highlighted in red. This looks much cleaner and more professional. So guys, remember, smart formatting is better than too many colors. Now let's again learn another important options between operator. Suppose I want to highlight all numbers between 50,000 and 1 lakh. Guys, before practicing, I will copy the same data set beside it using Control C and Control V. Now I will also show you something very important, how to remove conditional formatting. Guys, go to conditional formatting and clear rules. Guys, now you will see two options. First one is clear rules from selected cells and clear rules from entire sheet. Never clear the entire sheet by mistake. Always choose clear rules from selected cells. And now our formatting is removed. Perfect. Now select the data and go to conditional formatting and highlight sales rule and click between. Now enter minimum 50,000 and maximum 1 lakh. Then go to custom format, choose font color green and click OK and OK. Guys, now all values between 50,000 and 1 lakh are highlighted beautifully in green. So amazing. So guys, today's you learned greater than, less than, between operator, custom formatting, font color versus background color, and how to remove conditional formatting. And now you can see how beautifully data can be presented using conditional formatting. This makes your reports more professional, easier to understand, more attractive in interviews and offices. So I hope you really enjoyed these sessions and learned something valuable today. This topic still has a second advanced part, and in the next sessions I will teach you even more powerful conditional formatting techniques. But before that, practice today's sessions carefully, and after practicing, comment below which features did you like the most, and where can you use this in your office or daily work. So guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to DataDesk Pro, and share this video with your friends. Guys, your support motivates me to create more powerful Excel sessions for you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next sessions.